Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create your email onboarding sequence using Mailerlite. So you're logged into the dashboard. The next thing you need to do is click on automation and create a new workflow. And you're going to name the workflow the same way. We haven't got that one yet. So workflow onboarding email sequence. And then I would put the tripwire name. So I think we used Blueberry checklist. The trigger is when the subscriber joins a group. That's important. And then you need to select your group, the Blueberries checklist. Okay, so it's Blueberries. You can repeat the workflow for subscribers who rejoin the same group. I normally don't tick that box, okay, because I don't want people to be subscribed to a sequence that they have already received, okay. So if they unsubscribe, they can't get subscribed to this again. But that's your choice. Then I click Save. So the first thing you need to do is now send them an email where they have the download, okay? So the email is the welcome email. So, yay, download your Blueberry checklist. So that's the thingy. You can also insert an emoji. Yeah, you can put a little smiley face. Oh, that went in the wrong size. Checklist. So, emoji. And it comes from Monica Mandel, support@monicamandel. That's the return address if they reply to the email. And then the next thing is you want to design the email. And what I normally do the first time is I would start from scratch, but that's the email template 2019, so I would just use that. And it's just a basic text email. I don't like formatted emails because they lower your delivery rates with your internet service provider. So having basic formatted emails, the less images you have in the email, the less videos, the better for you. It doesn't mean that you can't use images or email or video, but just keep it basic, okay? Because I haven't got an email, because I've only asked for an email but not a first name, I would use these merge tag at the beginning, which you can get from when you click on this. This is where you change it over here. Okay, so this is the merge tag. And you can get that from inserting merge tags. Not sure what it is now. Used to be in there. And then I would just design the email. And yeah, there's no merge tag here. But you can also just leave that away, okay? Usually the S name, yeah, the merge tag for first name is different, but that's what I use. So you could just copy that as well, or leave it out altogether. So, and then that's the delivery email. So I would then just link this to my download thingy, and then have your email text. And again, all the email text I normally have is about 16 pixels. Okay, so I would make all of this 16 pixels. I'll just highlight the whole lot. So I just copy paste from the Google Doc. I go here and click 16 pixels. It's just easier to read, yeah? And then you could have a button that sends them back to the tripwire page, so they buy. But I would then replicate the tripwire page without the notification at the top that they should check their email inbox, because you already sent them that. Yeah, so you could have a secondary page created with Mailerlite that has just the video and the the copy for the buy now button. So you could have another page and then send people to that page instead. And then click save. And it's literally simple. You just drag things in here. So you have all the content blocks. You've got headers, content, which is your text. You've got buttons, social media. You've got video. So if you want the video one, you can import a video. And you just drag it, right? You just drag it into the section where you want it. And then you go and personalize it. It's very simple. You click the URL, or you don't want that now, you delete it, and that will be the email. So that's your first email. I'm not going to fart around with it. And then once that's saved, which is going to take a moment, just going to pause this. Okay, so that email has been designed, the subject line has been done, so now we want to do the second email. So the first thing we need to do is put a delay in, and we set the delay to probably about 1 hour. Click save, and then we click the plus sign again, we click email, we build out the subject line email to, subject line, we save this first, okay, and then we go back on this and we design the email, and then we just click the template that we've selected before, they're all created, so they all look the same, they're all the same formatted, they're congruent in the formatting. We change the text. Okay, so we edit the text, we click save, we click done editing. My internet's a bit slow at the moment, but it's loading now. Okay, so the second email is sent an hour later. Then we want to have, then we want to delay again. We have a 1 day delay, so a day later the third email goes out. We click the plus sign again, email, subject line, email 3, subject line. We save this, we go back on this, we click design email, and we click the template. I think you're getting the gist now. It's very, very simple. You edit the content. Once you're happy with it, you save. You click done editing. It will do its magic. And you build out your entire onboarding sequence using the emails that you've created as part of this challenge, okay? So you create the delay, you add your email content, you save, you build it out until you have all of your 5 to 7 emails here, okay? Once you're happy, you then click the onboarding email sequence to on. This is really important. If this is not activated, it won't fire. Then you go back here. And then basically you go back to forms and the Blueberry checklist. Let's preview that. Let's go back here and do another test. Because you always want to test. You want to test each of the emails, you want to test the form, because otherwise it's not going to work, okay? So let's just open that up and test with another email. support@monicamandel.com, and I go and check my Gmail. So again, remember to make sure to put in here, to edit that and make sure it says check your inbox and confirm your email, otherwise you won't receive your checklist. So I'm confirming the subscription. Okay, so that's that. And I should now receive the first onboarding email. I shouldn't have closed Gmail. So the first email from the list should now come through with a download. Didn't I just do that? Okay, let's just confirm again and see what happens. So the first email, let's go back here. Let's refresh that. Let's go to automation. Email sent. Should have been sent. Okay, for some reason it hasn't sent yet, but that could just be the delay of Mailerlite. So make sure you check that and make sure the email sends, and when you refresh here you should see one email sent, which tells you that the onboarding email sequence is firing and that your entire funnel from landing page to tripwire thank you /sell page to 5 to 7 onboarding emails are getting automatically sent from now on. Once this functions, you know that your mini funnel is ready and you can actually deploy it and you can start building your list and start selling your tripwire. This is what you do, and this is how you do it absolutely for free. So if you have any questions about any of these trainings, bring them to the group and we'll troubleshoot them, okay? Thank you so much.